Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And from that point of view, really nothing has changed, and I'll explain what I mean by that. But looking at today, in and of itself, a very, very crazy day. Started off as a complete gap and trap. What do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Monday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, Tuesday, price opened up there, hence the gap up. And then after the open, I mean, just pure bloodshed to the downside. But to give credit's due, price fell right down to that pink line there, which on my chart represents the 200-period moving average. And at that point, got a very nice bounce back to the upside and got back up above the $17 mark, which was an important level of support going into today. And then you look at where the price closed, and it was slightly below where it was on Monday, but almost in a very literal sense, after all the up and down action, the price is essentially right where it was on Monday. So from that point of view, from an annotation viewpoint, nothing really new to report. I mean, $17, still that level of support. Now, I would, agree if you said, well, Clay, it probably got weakened up today. And yeah, I would agree. Got weakened up today because the price did push down through it. But on the flip side, this area up here right around 1750 would have also, I would agree, got weakened up because the price did spend some time up above that level too. So in a weird way, and this is, like I said, a very unique chart, but I would say that both the resistance and support levels got weakened, but both are still levels of support and resistance nonetheless. So from that point of view, this level right here around 1755, still going to be that first key level to watch going forward. If the price can push through there, then we, after today's data, we have very clearly that the next key, level of resistance is up there at 18. And then on the flip side, if the price goes back to 17 and falls below there, well, then again, we have a very clear idea of where, the next level of support would be. And that would be that pink line there, the 200-period moving average, currently valued at $16.50. So yes, a very, very bizarre chart. Price in and of itself today, all over the place. But if you look at it in combination with just yesterday, then yeah, essentially the price closed right where it was. So quite the unique day, and we'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.